Hello everybody and welcome to the March 2026 Hoop Studio unboxing. I'm so glad that you've joined me today. I'm Jen from Me Time and I have the cutest spring project for you today. You're gonna just love it. I call it the mini spring pillows, and these are what they are. Look how tiny those little pillows are. You're gonna be able to make these two cute pillows, and do you just love this guy? This is our little Goose Stuffie. Now, I call him Gus the Goose, or someone here called him Goose Stuff the Goose. I don't know. We've got to figure out a cute name for him. But these are the projects that you'll get to make this month. These projects can go on a shelf. They can go in a bowl as a bowl filler. They could go on a tier tray. Lots of possibilities of how you could use these cute projects this month. So I'm excited to see what you do with it and how you decorate with those. Let me show you what you get in your kit this month. You're gonna get all you need to make these three projects. You're gonna get these 4x6 pillow forms. They're gonna come vacuum packed and sealed. So they'll be flat in your package, but this is kind of what they look like. You're going to get some felt, couple pieces of felt, and a vacuum packed polyfill stuffing for your goose. You're gonna get some batting, 2 pieces of batting for your pillows, a piece of flexi foam to kind of help give structure and definition to our goose friend. You're gonna get these buttons here. Now I'll show you, these buttons go right here on these daffodil flowers. If you don't want the buttons, there's an option to stitch that middle part of the button or the flower as well. So either way, you have these fun buttons to give dimension to your pillow, or you can stitch it. And we have these beautiful fabrics that you'll get to make your pillows. Look at this floral one, and this, isn't that fun for spring with the yellows and the oranges and the pinks and the blues? And then we have this light blue fabric with these little squigglies all over it. It's kind of a fun texture for your pillow. And for the centerpiece of your Hello Spring pillow, we've got that little peach fabric. So that's what you're gonna get in your kit. And you're gonna just love making this project. Now, I have a giveaway for you today. Let me show you what that is, and then I will tell you how you can enter and win these prizes. So first of all, we use this antique white felt for our goose or Gus, Gustav, Gil the goose, whatever. You will also get some paper tape, because we always need paper tape when we're working with projects in our embroidery machine. And I have this really big package of flexi foam for you so that you can use it to make all kinds of fun projects and multiple gooses if you want. Now, to enter to win this, what I need you to, I've kind of given you some possible names for our goose, but to enter the giveaway, I need you in the comments to let me know, what would you name your goose? Would you name him Gus, Gustav, Gail? Maybe it has no G in it at all, but let me know what you would name your goose, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me. I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time.